if an invoice has been generated and sent to the parent by the admin and that invoice has crossed the due date of payment, those invoices would come under overdue invoice. So now you can see that the parent would be able to see all the overdue invoice in the table in this kind of a highlighted format. And there is a warning symbol also in the beginning of each row. And if the parent hovers over the symbol, you can see that the parent would be notified that this is an overdue invoice. And above the table also, you can see that in the card, it is shown that this much amount is overdue. So the parent can make the payment by two pathways. One is the parent can directly click on this Pay Now button. If they click on this payment details module will appear, which would notify that this is the total number of invoice and this is the total amount that needs to be paid. And then the parent can select the card. Once they've chosen the card, they will click on the Pay Now button and the invoice would get paid. Another is that the parent can click on the invoice ID. Once they do that, they would be taken to the invoice details page. Here at the bottom right corner, there's a button called Proceed to Pay. So if the parent clicks on this model will appear, which is the same one which had appeared by clicking on Pay Now button. So here the parent can review all the details. They can select a card from which they want the payment to be made. If the parent wants to add a new card for this payment, the parent can click on this button or they can just select from any of the existing cards they have saved on the platform. Once they're done that, the parent will click on this Pay Now button. Now you can see that the payment has been successful and now the payment is processing. So this is how the parent can make the payment for any overdue invoice, and all the overdue invoices would always appear on the table, and then in the top also it would be shown in a highlighted state. So the parent would know that they can go to this option and then they can make the payment.